Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to use FlexSafe. So let's get started.
Thank you for purchasing the FlexSafe. Setting the combination is super easy. The unit comes set from the factory at 000 as you can see. To set your code, first push the button on the left side of the lock inwards and open the flap. Then push that same button in again and hold in place while turning the wheels to set your desired code. Do not release that button until you make sure that the combination you want is set to be displayed. Once you confirm all 3 digits are exactly the way you want them, simply let go of the button and your new combination is set.
Get a FlexSafe. FlexSafe is a lightweight, portable pouch that you can take with you to the pool or the beach and always have a safe place to lock up your valuables. Click below to get yours today. FlexSafe, for the times when you don't have a guardian angel watching over your stuff.